For this and Ms. Joy Ortega. Vice President for Mindanao, Ms. Elena Howe. The most outstanding chamber.
Very kind introduction. Ed Lacson, President of the PCCI, Bobby Amores, Chairman of this conference. Emerging markets in the world. Governments investments. Now I am gratified that because of our partnership over these last 8 years, we are now considered indeed a front line among emerging economies, not only of Asia, but of the world, no longer the sickly economy of the region. We have confused your command to subdue the earth. The environment is made to suffer our wrongdoing. Natural calamities occur in increasing numbers.
Thank you very much, Excellency Gloria Macapagal Arroyo.